Wash or disinfect your hands thoroughly before taking the test. Check all materials are provided. Timer is required but not provided. Read instructions for use provided carefully. Check expiry date on test cassette foil pouch. Open foil pouch and place test cassette flat on a surface. Carefully pour buffer liquid into extraction tube. Carefully remove the swab and insert tip 2 to 3 centimetres into a nostril. Rub the inside of the nostril in a circular movement 5 times for at least 15 seconds. Repeat steps on other nostril. Now insert the swab into the extraction tube of liquid. Turn for at least 10 seconds. Take swab out while squeezing tube to extract liquid. Place swab back into original packaging. Place lid on extraction tube. Gently shake extraction tube. Place 3 drops into sample window of test cassette. Start timer, read results within 10 to 15 minutes. Results must be read within 20 minutes. Interpreting the results. A positive result. 2 coloured lines will appear, one in the control region C and one in the test region T. Note, the test is considered positive as soon as even a faint line appears. Positive results means that SARS-CoV-2 antigens were detected in your sample and you're likely to be infected and presumed to be contagious. Refer to your relevant health authority for advice on whether a PCR test is required to confirm your result. Negative result. 1 coloured line appears in the control region C. No apparent coloured line appears in test region T. This means that no SARS-CoV-2 antigen was detected and you're unlikely to have COVID-19. Continue to follow all local guidelines and measures when in contact with others, as you may be infected. If symptoms continue, please repeat the test after 1 to 2 days, as SARS-CoV-2 antigen cannot be precisely detected in all phases of an infection. Invalid result. No coloured lines appear in the control region C. The test is invalid even if there is no line in test region T. Invalid result indicates that your test has experienced an error and is unable to interpret the result of the test. Insufficient sample volume or incorrect handling are the most likely reasons for this. You will need to retest with a new rapid antigen test kit. If you still have symptoms, you should self-isolate at home and avoid contact with others prior to the retest. Place all used test kit components into a waste bag and place into household waste. For more information, please contact your relevant health authority for advice.